Enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.
Yoga plays an important role in the development of our body and mind. It has many physical and mental benefits, but it cannot be used in place of any medicine, etc. It is necessary that you learn and do yoga asanas only under the instructions of a trained yoga instructor. If you have any physical problem, then before doing yoga, contact your doctor or any yoga instructor. Today we are telling you about a yoga asana that can help in reducing the fat of thighs and hips and keeping the whole body fit. What is warrior pose? Warrior pose, which is known as Virabhadrasana in Hindi. This asana is named after Virabhadra, an incarnation of Lord Shiva, who was an invincible warrior. This asana strengthens the muscles of the hands, shoulders, thighs, and waist. It also reduces the fat of thighs and hips. Known as warrior pose, this yoga asana done while standing activates the whole body and stretches from the waist up. There is almost no part of the body that cannot benefit from the warrior pose. Although it can tone your entire body, it is especially effective for the lower body, hips, and thighs. How to do the warrior pose? The warrior pose is known as one of the strengthening postures in the list of yoga asanas, and it has 3 variations. Today we will learn about variation number 1 of the warrior pose. First of all, stand straight with your feet spread at a distance of about 3 feet. Bend the right knee to 90 degrees and keep the left foot straight backwards while keeping it on the toe. Remember, the heel of the right foot should be in line with the toe of the left foot. While inhaling, raise the hands by joining the palms together. Lean back while looking up towards the sky. Stay steady in the asana for some time and keep breathing in and out slowly. Then exhale and bring both hands down and stand straight. Repeat this entire process from the left side as well. Bend the left knee to 90 degrees and keep the right leg straight backwards, keeping it on the toes. Precautions of warrior pose. If you have balance problems or hip, knee, back or shoulder injury, do not do this asana. If you are suffering from spinal disorders or any chronic back disease, then do this asana only after consulting a doctor. Patients with heart problems or high blood pressure should not do this asana. Warrior pose is very beneficial for pregnant women in the 2nd and 3rd trimester. Take the support of the wall while doing this asana. Consult a doctor before doing this asana. If you are suffering from diarrhea or have been suffering from it recently, do not do this asana. If you have pain in your knees or arthritis, then use support near the knees. Benefits of warrior pose. This asana strengthens and stretches the legs and glutes, the front of the hips, hip flexors, and calves. In the leg, this asana strengthens the thigh, calf, and ankle. In the foot, it stretches the back of the thigh, hamstrings, and calf muscles. This is also a powerful asana for the upper body, stretches the head from the feet to the chest and shoulders. It also stretches and strengthens the area around your shoulders and strengthens the back and arms. Increases energy, helps fight fatigue and improves balance. Can help build confidence and empowerment. Counters the effects of sitting and working on a computer for long periods of time. By doing this, the nervous system is strengthened and belly fat is reduced. Doing this yoga daily brings a glow to the face, improves balance in the body, increases endurance. It is also very beneficial for those who do sitting work.